Hey guys, I'm Genevieve Porter and welcome back to America's Steals and Deals. And I've got a really good deal today. This is a popular one that we all know and love, and we all have to do this one chore. It's called grocery shopping. These are the Lotus Trolley Bags. You bring these everywhere you go grocery shopping, and this is how it works. What this is a multiple bag system that you put into your shopping cart. You basically rest it on the edges, basically a filing system. We have an insulated bag for all of your cold goods. We have mesh bags for your produce. Each of these bags can hold up to 70 pounds of groceries, which is phenomenal. What I love about this is as I shop, I can organize the food as I go. So A, I know what I have. B, nothing is getting crushed. And C, I feel extra cool at the grocery store. Everyone's like, whoa, where'd you get that? Do they have that here? Is that in the carts? No, it's mine. It really helps me move faster throughout the grocery shopping experience. And then when you get to checkout, you don't have to worry about asking for paper bag or paying more for plastic bags. You have your bags and all the food is already organized. So it goes in and it goes back into the bag. Then you go straight home in the car and all that food is already organized for your refrigerator. So putting away is like da 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 da. So if you like to cook like I do, you cook a lot. You're also at the grocery store a lot. Get this system to really make the experience more fun and more effortless. Today we are offering a fantastic deal, 34% off. There are additional produce bags if you're interested. The system is phenomenal. To take advantage of this deal, you can go to asadeals.com.